What is up, YouTube? This is day 5 out of day 30. I hope everybody's having a blessed night. So we're back. Apple. Apple today is down $2.94. Is down basically 2% on the day. Uh, Apple is 152.37. We're on the daily right now. So we're gonna examine yesterday's events. So I did say yesterday that it could go like this, or I drew three scenarios, and I remember the last scenario was it could come down and then bounce, because the bounce right here at 150 level, that is a major support. So right now, if let's get rid of the drawings first, let's look at the day. So the day today, it went down to 151.38, um 151.38, and it went up to 154. That was the highest of the day. The volume today was 90 million. So that is set. That's a little bit above average, you know. What I want to see is I want to see 122 million. That's what I want to see, because that's like the best move possible, up or down. It doesn't matter which way it goes. I'll play it. So we can see that right now it is bearish. It is looking very bearish right now. Technical indicators are saying it's bearish. So we have the 5 EMA. It tested the 5 EMA, and it obviously rejected it, and now it's obviously down on the day. But if you look at the whole market's down itself too. So right now, let's see, the 100 EMA, it's not looking so good. It's still bearish. It looks like the 20 and the 50 EMA are about to cross, and when they cross, like I said, it could lead to a lot of momentum and a lot of a lot of downside basically. Let me see. Now we're going to add the drawings just to clarify. Let's add the drawings. So we see that right now, Apple went to 151, correct? And from there, that's when the buyer stepped in. It was like, nah, I'm not gonna let this go any lower, and they bought a lot, and they brought the price even higher. What I could see tomorrow. Let's look at the other indicators. So we have RSI right now is at 37. That is right now a neutral sign. Like I said, I want to see it come down a little lower. I want to see it come down to like 30, 29, 30, around there. Um, I want to see it come down just a little bit lower. Let me just adjust this line. Yeah, right there. So RSI is good. It's neutral. Volume itself is a little bit above average. I said above average. It's like a little bit average. Excuse me, not above. Now let's break it down. Let's look into the hourly chart. Let's see what is up. So hourly, let's see. So we do have a gap, which is pretty nice. That is a bullish sign at the moment. So this is the gap. So let's just hide all the drawings. Let me show you guys what I mean by gap. So the gap is, you see from this candle to this candle, these two candles. Let me get rid of this. So you see from this candle to this candle right here, this is considered a gap. It's like a big space, in other words. And what happens is, like I said previously on, I think day 2, it was where the gaps, they get filled anywhere between 2 to 3 days. It gets filled. It could be a little longer, but it usually gets filled like really quick. So what I could see on the upside is, now we have the drawings. Let's add the image back. Sorry. What we could see is, I want to see it come down a little bit. Like I said, I want to see it come down a little bit, and then I expect to fill this whole gap. So I wanted to fill this gap, and then it might have like a little pullback, and then it might bounce up. This is the main thing I want to see. I want to see like a nice strong momentum. On the hourly, the EMA is 38.61, neutral. It's not negative or positive at the moment. EMAs right now, let's zoom in. EMAs right now, they haven't crossed. Right now they're just following right now the momentum. So right now the EMAs haven't crossed at all. Like the 5 to 10, 20 to 50 to 100, they have not crossed at all, which is, I can't say it's bullish or bearish. Right now the trend, right, is saying it's bearish. I could see tomorrow, I could see it come down just a little bit. Nothing less. Because what happens is, if we zoom out on the daily, and we like look at this blue line right here. So you see this blue line, the 150. Let's back it up. So the 150 right here. Let's back it up more. So this is the 150, right? Look at this support. Look at this example. This is a prime example right here. So this is one. It went to around 151 and bounced off to 169. Came back down again. It bounced off right on the 150 level. Went to 180. That is a big move. If you catch that move, that is a humongous move. Same thing over here. 150 bounced to 182. Right now we haven't seen, it's been like just consolidating. Like if I even expand the line just a little bit, you can see that it's just ranging. Like it's just going up or down. It's not making a move at the moment. Let's break it down again. Hourly, move this a little up. So yeah, like I said, I want to see this come down just a little bit. That would be like the best outcome for me and for the group that I'm in, because we are all betting that like it's gonna go up. Let me see. Add the EMAs. So yeah, it's not saying it's bullish or bearish. I mean, right now the 20 and the 50 EMA are, it's saying that it's bearish, meaning that the stock is going to go down a little bit more. I want to break it down just a little bit more, just to like examine the whole thing. I don't really see anything. No. I mean, we don't. So what I like to do is I don't like looking at like the 15, the 5. I don't like looking at none of that. I like looking at the hourly. The hourly shows way more. Momentum. It shows like the bigger picture, in other words. So this is the play for tomorrow that I want to see. The worst case scenario, if I'm being honest, is it could go. Let me draw it again. It could go down to 138 and then bounce. That would be worst case scenario. I'm still very bullish on Aapl itself, but the indicators do say right now it is bearish. But based on what I've seen and technical analysis itself, I'm remaining bullish on it. So yeah, like I said yesterday, I said that there's gonna be a little pullback, and today was the pullback. I just want to wait till tomorrow, see what happens. I'm gonna get rid of these drawings though, because when I wake up in the morning at like 9 o'clock, I look at all the stocks and see how they're doing. SPY is another one. So like SPY is the same way. Right now it's finding support on this, and it should bounce. If you look, let me show you guys something. So if you guys look at SPY and Aapl, they are similar and identical. So let me show you guys. I'll show you guys 15 minute. I should be like, look how identical they are. Like this is the same time. So it goes up, it comes down. It goes up, it comes down. So basically whatever SPY does is what Apple's definitely gonna do. So we'll just wait for tomorrow. I'm bullish on it. I'm not 100% bullish tomorrow per se, but I'm bullish for like the next week and week and a half. Tomorrow it could be like a little bit pullback, based on the indicators, but you just have to wait and see. I hope you guys enjoy it. This is not gonna be a long video today. Just wanted to break it down. There's not really a lot of volume at the moment. I want volume to pick up a little bit better, a little more. I hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure you guys like, follow, subscribe, and comment if you guys have any questions, concerns, anything like that. My DMs are always free. I want to teach you guys how to make more money than having a job. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Have a good one.